Hi, if you want to enable or disable dual apps on Redmi Note 14, then open Settings. Here find tab Apps and after that choose Dual Apps. If you cannot see it, then maybe you need to update your device, so make sure it is updated to the latest version. Now let's choose Dual Apps, and please note that not all of your apps could be duplicated, so here you'd see exact amount of dual apps. For example, I can create 20 free dual app. And let's hit button create. And now I can see this list of apps which I can clone. For example, we can clone TikTok and after that we'll be able to use two separate accounts. So for example, one account with your main data in your first main TikTok account and another account, another type of data in the cloned TikTok version. So if you're willing to try this out, just tap on the switcher here enable to turn on, and now it is creating dual TikTok app. So we are just waiting. And it created successfully. So let's also duplicate Facebook. For that, I'm gonna also tap on the switcher to enable, and we can also adjust its setting. For example, shared to Facebook, we can set default app. Sign in using Facebook, we can set dual app. And wake using Google Assistant, we can choose always ask. And now let me show you how it will look. So these are cloned apps because you can see this orange bubbled icon in it. So this one is original Facebook and that one is duplicated. This is original TikTok and that one is cloned. And now if you wanna remove those copies, just press and hold it and choose this button, but this will remove it from home screen. To delete at all, open your app drawer, press and hold it and choose recycle bin. After that, tap uninstall and do the same with another one. And yeah, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.